UK property market resilience, bouncing back from economic headwinds. Let's be honest, 2023 wasn't exactly a walk in the park, was it? Between interest rate hikes, inflation doing its usual dance, and the political back and forth making headlines more than policies, you'd think the UK property market would be flat on its back by now. But nope. Like that one tenant who always pays rent late but never misses a payment, it's still standing. A bit bruised, sure, but definitely not broken. So how are we bouncing back? Is it all smoke and mirrors? Or is there real substance under the headlines? Let's dig in. The unexpected comeback, kids. First-time buyers. Here's something I didn't expect. First-time buyers are making a comeback. Yep, despite higher mortgage rates and tighter lending rules, they're not backing down. I had a young couple in West London recently. Both teachers, modest income, tight budget, land a lovely two-bed flat in Acton. How? They used every scheme going. Shared ownership, family gift for the deposit, and they haggled like pros. It was brilliant. Why are they reappearing now? Because rents have gone through the roof. I mean, when you're paying £2,100 a month for a one-bed in Clapham, you start thinking, hang on, could I own something for that? Sellers are wising up. I won't lie. 2022 was the year of the overconfident seller. My neighbor sold for £800,000. So I want $875K. Yeah, not anymore. Today's sellers are getting smarter, finally. They're realistic, motivated, and open to negotiation. I had a listing in Islington, 3-bed Victorian terrace, beautiful garden, nice bones. The owners were clinging to a pre-pandemic valuation. After 2 months of tumbleweeds and polite rejections, they took my advice, dropped by $25K, and boom, 2 offers in a week. Lesson? Price it right and you'll still get a bidding war. What's going on with London? London's always been its own beast, right? But now it's acting weirder than ever. Prime Central London is surprisingly stable, like Mayfair, Chelsea, Hampstead. They're doing just fine. Why? Overseas cash. Buyers from the Gulf, Singapore, even South Africa are snapping up trophy homes. For them, a weaker pound equals shopping spree. Meanwhile, outer boroughs are seeing mixed signals. Some hotspots like Walthamstow and Tooting are holding steady, while others are cooling. It's a bit of a postcode lottery, to be honest. But savvy buyers? They're circling, waiting for the right moment to pounce. North versus South, it's heating up. I've got mates in Manchester and Leeds absolutely run off their feet. Why? Because the North is popping off. Buyers priced out of the South are looking at the North and thinking, wait, I can get a 4-bed detached for the price of a Croydon studio? Yes, you can. I helped the London investor pick up a pair of terraces in Sheffield, student lets, near the uni, for under $300K total. He'd been trying to get into the London rental market for years with no luck. Now, he's getting a 9% yield and grinning like a Cheshire cat. Mortgage mayhem? Calmed? Remember the chaos when mortgage rates shot up overnight? People freaking out mid-chain, pulling out of deals. It was wild. But now, things are settling. Rates are still higher than we'd like, sure, but lenders are offering more flexible products again. Fixed deals are back in fashion, and brokers are getting creative. I've seen some unbelievable offers with cashback and fee-free incentives. It's not perfect, but it's manageable. And buyers are adapting. One even told me last week, it's like car finance now. You just budget for it and move on. Fair point. A word about lettings. Landlords, brace yourselves. The squeeze is real. With EPC deadlines looming and tenant protections increasing, the casual landlord is exiting the stage. But here's the twist. Demand for rentals has never been higher. I've had actual queues outside flats in Streatham. One viewing, 40 applicants. It's madness. Smart landlords are cashing in. They're upgrading properties to meet the new standards, charging premium rents and keeping tenants for longer. Honestly, lettings is where the gold is hiding in 2025. So, is the market resilient? Resilient? It's downright stubborn. The UK property market refuses to crash the way the headlines keep promising. Why? Because demand hasn't gone away. People still want homes. People need homes. And despite the costs and chaos, buyers, sellers, renters, they're still in the game. Honestly, I think that's the story no one's telling. The resilience isn't just numbers on a chart. It's people adjusting, adapting, and cracking on. That couple buying their first home. The downsizer moving closer to family. The investor taking a punt on a northern city they've never visited. That's what keeps this market ticking. Not the Bank of England, not Rishi's announcements. Just people trying to build a life. And guess what? They're doing it.